So I saw you had a question about 10.2. Now this one here, you said it's down here to Z part where you was having trouble. I guess you were okay on that. If you looked, I don't just reference you to page 446. You can see technology step by step. So I'm showing StatCrunch. You can use the calculator, or you could do it by hand. I mean, there's a formula for calculating this by hand. I just picked StatCrunch. I guess if you look on this page, it says click on Stat. Then you go down to Proportion Stat, one sample with summary. So one proportion, one sample proportion with summary. Then you put in the information here. I guess there are 27 out of 829 patients complain of flu-like symptoms, so you put that in here. We're doing a hypothesis test. It's a right-tailed. I guess they give us this up here somewhere. They give us this 2.8%. So that's P. So you put in the 0.028, and it's a right-tailed. Put in greater. And then if you click compute here, I guess you'll get this z-score here that you round to 0.80. It also gives you the p-value when you click compute. Now this is using StatCrunch. You can use the calculator, or you can use the formulas and do it by hand. I mean, there's three options here. You just gotta pick one. Hope this helps.